Every exceptional leather jacket begins long before the factory floor. Traceability starts with careful documentation and responsible sourcing. Strict standards ensure only approved materials enter production.
Keep them moving, straight up the ramp. Good.
The journey to processing begins under carefully controlled conditions. Miles of travel connect remote resources with advanced manufacturing. At the facility, precision logistics take over.
Every incoming material is recorded before processing begins.
Digital tracking maintains consistency from start to finish. Preparation continues before transformation can begin. Inside these walls, raw material enters the path toward luxury craftsmanship. The first stage focuses on preparation and cleanliness. Careful cleaning protects quality throughout the production chain.
Flow rate is stable at 150 liters per minute.
Every surface is prepared for precise evaluation.
Human expertise remains essential even in automated factories. Advanced systems accelerate sorting without sacrificing accuracy. Consistency begins with precise measurement. Sorting ensures every material receives the correct treatment.
Load is complete. Closing the door.
The transition from raw material to refined leather now begins. Controlled preparation creates the foundation for durability. With preparation complete, transformation can truly begin. Here, raw material begins its transformation into premium leather. Precision control shapes the leather's future performance. Time, chemistry, and engineering work together inside every drum. Constant monitoring keeps every batch within strict specifications. The newly treated material moves toward structural refinement. Uniform structure begins to emerge through controlled pressure. Dimensional accuracy is established before finishing begins. Carefully managed drying stabilizes the developing leather. The foundation is complete, and advanced refinement awaits. Now the leather enters its most technologically advanced stage. Uniform thickness is essential for luxury-grade performance. Every surface is analyzed with remarkable precision. Technology and experience work together to maintain quality. Technology and experience work together to maintain quality. Controlled application enhances both appearance and durability. Heat and airflow lock the finish into place. Texture gives character to every luxury material. Each detail is verified before finishing operations continue. The leather is ready to become a luxury white camel jacket. Luxury garments begin with precise engineering. Accuracy at this stage defines the final garment. Every component remains traceable throughout assembly. Careful organization keeps production flowing efficiently. Craftsmanship remains essential in luxury manufacturing.
Steady.
Each seam contributes to durability and comfort. Alignment looks good. Proceed. Premium details elevate the final product.
Zipper closure smooth. Confirmed.
Structure and elegance are carefully perfected. The luxury character of the garment now fully emerges. Before approval, every jacket must pass rigorous testing. Luxury standards demand attention to every detail. Durability is verified through measurable performance. Long-term reliability is tested before approval.
Initiating the abrasion test.
The wheels are at full speed.
The graph just hit the threshold. Excellent. Log the data.
Consistency ensures every garment meets the same standard. Every component must perform flawlessly. Seams are solid, no puckering.
Agreed. Zipper action is smooth.
Looks good. Approving the shipment. Fabric alignment is precise.
Noting the seam consistency.
Human expertise provides the final confirmation.
Approval clears the way for global distribution. The final stage prepares each jacket for its journey to customers. Protection during transport begins with careful packaging. Presentation is part of the luxury experience. Automation ensures consistency across every shipment. Every package remains traceable throughout distribution. Finished products are organized for efficient logistics. Storage systems keep inventory ready for shipment.
Load confirmed. Bay 3, proceed.
Copy. Moving to Bay 3 now.
Clear the dock. Trailers ready. Pallet secured.
From factory floor to international markets, the process is complete. And this is how modern factories produce white camel leather jackets from start to finish. Innovation, craftsmanship, and precision drive every jacket produced here.